got one more week to go.
So today at Talkington, we're out here doing a life simulation.
Students are learning how to handle finances, how to deal with challenges.
It could be called a poverty simulation, but it takes you through a month cycle of a life of individuals who might not have enough money, might not have enough resources to do what they need to do, transportation.
I'm a bus driver, so I run the bus station. They have to come see me if they go to work or if they go to the grocery store and get a bus pass.
We compact a week into about 10 minutes. And so when you have to be able to go to the grocery store, pay your bills, go to work, all compressed in a very short amount of time. Lines are long, as they are no matter where you go. People sometimes are cranky when you're dealing with the vendors on the other side of the desk.
I think it's kind of pushed them out of their boundaries of going up and talking to people, but also realizing that this is what real life is about when you get older. So you may have a day where you have challenges and you got to roll with it.
The National Credit Union Foundation kind of originated this program. We partnered with them, brought it on, and have been able to go out and do these. We've done several in the Midland-Odessa area. I believe this is our first in the Lubbock area, and we're just excited to see where it goes. It really challenges you to think about the processes and procedures that you have in your own environment, your own organization, to say, are we creating hurdles or are we creating a pathway for somebody to get there?
I think it surprises them how real this is. I think the different scenarios that they're going through, it kind of surprises them that it's real life.
A lot of people ask us the question of why do we do such a thing? You're a credit union. What are you out here doing a life simulation for? Well, we believe it's just we need to be in the community. We need to make a better community for where we are. Our employees work here, live here. We want to be a part of the community. And it's just the right thing to do. Complex community, we actually started in Midland-Odessa. We started in 1958. We've been blessed to grow. Midland-Odessa, Andrews, Monahans, Big Spring. I've been in Lubbock for a year. And we knew when we came up to Lubbock, we wanted to partner with somebody, and we partnered with LISD because the education is key to choice. It's key to the future.